Search and check reviews first. Click Buy Now. Click Add Address. Add recipient name. Enter phone number. Select region, district, and city. Type your address. Fill office if the address you are providing is not home. It will help them to deliver your parcel in working days and within office timing so that you can receive. Click Save. Press back button of your mobile phone. Click Place Order. Now select payment method from given. Select cash on delivery if you want to pay after receiving parcel, or you can select any other account too. Click Confirm Order. Contact us if you are looking for a video editor.